And you obey to me as I repeat him.
Asan Kofafi, okay, sir.
Another year 20 and a 6 and a 6 and a third. There be an essay. And a 6. There be the who are this year. When in your papa and a 6. Oh, be a volume, be a volume, be a volume.
He be my protector. So I go higher. Oh yeah, me know what I'm for money. I don't do them many things. People say me another day. If you wish me well, I wish you well. Me know what I'm for money. I don't do them many things. People say me another day. If you wish me well, I wish you well. Eva, Eva, I still dey fight for the paper. Of me now, no be later. No be later. Eva, Eva, I still dey fight for the paper. Of me now, no be later. Yeah. Nana nyami kebi mama, kebi mama, kebi mama, kebi mama, kebi mama, kebi mama. Nana nyami be kebi mama, kebi mama. Nana nyami kebi mama, kebi mama, kebi mama, kebi mama, kebi mama, kebi mama. Nana nyami be kebi mama. I don't do them many things. People say me another day. If you wish me well, I wish you well. Maybe now we can come on in.
All right. I don't want to 6.3, 19 minutes after 7. And that Jenny push me yaman can I do that as a weekend.
Adom.
Now, me bonya me paisen car on speed up and then hours no. Next na Friday rantem Saturday Sunday na yindu Monday tem.
Obi rent you, o person speedy up.
Now speedy up and yamashna. Now speedy up and yamanan kofoso nyesika.
And then about Obi a reason tia o here bibi. Obi a only reason.
And somehow anyway. Latest foam, adomonline.com, Progress Savings and Loans, King City Real Estate, American Premium Furniture, Enterprise Life Insurance, Lily Sunflower Oil, Tabia Herbal Mixture, Vodafone. I'm in Santa Fe Clinic. Captain, fine.
I'll be very fine.
I don't pay one for pound.
Flower no
fine. Nancy the Matiatum. Because of Matiatum, our hotel say.
Yes.
Matiatum.
I found something another.
I believe you say wobo enough.
Oh, enough.
Now for pan wobo ni say yeah, wobo enough.
I know you oje babdo.
Yeah, oh yeah, you're ready.
Oje, musician. Oje.
Leo Jima.
Ana kwa ajima.
Honorable Doctor kwa ajima.
Doc. Oh yeah there.
Doctor there man.
Oti radio so bo doctor.
Yeah. Na with all apologies and respect.
Honorable.
Ejuma kwa ajima me no
Yaman.
Same university. Kama man professor.
Yes.
Captain e bi mo ye adwuma ya baby ade o ma hye no. Woni baby a Dr. Poku adi say o. Okay, Dr. Poku adi say.
Former Ghana Medical Association president. Oh wait.
Na say no is not at my general hospital. They say rural health school apomdi school kese e work in tampono on the director.
Kofon be being brutal.
Who say onu baby obeko bi oja footprint.
Mo be being brutal.
Ebe so ho no man.
Sometime. But sometime your group no come so sometime I say enjoy. I say we ase ade enye kra ya brefo.
Sometime enjoy.
Until your group no kasa me raho when you trouble.
Baby e was say DJ ba.
Ayedi hey when you trouble. Wo kasa ayedi out of 15 crates of Guinness. Onum bi obeto.
In fact, you have to enjoy.
Nana J, a tough friend of Blackie. Oh, now, oh yeah, alumni member of Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology. Katanga Holo. Blackie, good morning.
Captain, good morning.
Na Bibia Boko there.
Na me Adom Captain Bibia Boko. Na mum no. Yentimin die.
And run a German and I'm copy so say Katanga Hall leaders Yachiwamu. Tech police station. You see a man mobile. And I'm say eba say boy enkomo.
Captain. Said the wow nim alumni. for yes, so asemi sa say we studio ho ka o ma ya kwanya me ya bekasa. Ye di die cha ya wan kan ye te say Katanga students miensa ya form ti rechi anajo ama omu kopie tech police station eda ho ma de echi o ase me kwa me nam kwa so kokumasia che say omu da so wom eteno na ye ditima ye hwe na captain che say enche ye ene say asem yaba e wo court na se bibia na konye hunehuna tabu a student executives ne kwa ko ho a etimi kire o mo say mo de yakọ court nti ema mo mben ha ana se mu ntimi mu wura hall ni mu pa ye beche mo ye dwen ho ye nti ase se anye bia o man yi emra ye adwuma na se no bia timi ye diope captain
asase me agro sa ye de ne san hwe beji bumu
aho na captain mi so no ane se enkase de nkobie nim Katanga fititi enkeba ye na nka yatie simbonten na omo pa mo boni edin so de omo agim no mo ye no ma emfata na nke no ande ye ya na ban mpanifo omo atwe no ma kompeso mo ya asan but this time ye say ye ma emra aye adwuma because ye ma peni court so yi odimra ye adwuma o hwe 2012 de si ye mpa o se o mekọ court me man na me party for ntinsin monten ye no ma emfata enso captain court ni mo mu no ade sa da bia ye ti asem foforo enti minim se nkanye bia o mo twen se o mo beti se ye nyina ya tie si monten na nipa boni for de o mo agim anso mo betie asem aye ka me de me ka ni tie mu ase se ene de alumni ye ka ne se ade aye yi enye Katanga asem o eye Ghana man asem because so penifo etiti ho ni nyina na eti nkonya so nyina no omu fa ti bia bi se mu pen ese omu den tinetine omu ema omu be ye penifo omu ye ene ene ye ka yetimi boy nkoko say oh minim we ana we ye me pani na mo men kola ya sas ye de ehunehuna ye ma ma ye ti bo ye ma ma dwen omu ho ye pese me kuminya captain ofo se penifo be no mbe nya be ye no munyi be ya san penifo na captain o mine be ko e be ka ko bi be fa bi e se kan ya chodi me na kra wonya nipa ba kumpu no abegina wa kasa wo
like say ya wo manya bail na wo da gum
captain me se me ne wo kasa yo mo da so e wo tech police station si me nam kwan so on behalf of the alumni airco
because nkomo ya woni me boy na aboa me me ne metie fa say ye hunu mu yi wo mo se wo mo ayeden emba ne bi ko ho no mo kosi wo mo kwan
we proud ye just ya information ye won say almost here SRC president Nimpo swimming pool which is so far away from Katanga ho many dia omani say ya ne say ntawantawa ba ye try some coming down the presence of SRC president coming down according to this SRC president no the Australia and say fair reinforcement and I say we need ya na ho ene me kra ament na ho say obi e be fa me fa ho die so ono so be tire mu and almost your members ne ba kubo obi unfortunately there's another member no incident kra dada ene say nkaka omo di omo ko hand over ma tech police station for omo da sugumu enti anya bibi mpo a che si wa Katanga ho anasa asem bia ye ntimi nka to warrant this kind of treatment. I mean, it's that they use sledgehammer just to kill an ant. All in the name of say, I will say, they use in for as scapegoats. Na ye ma who say omo makim. And the you can say, alumni for him. I mean, one more years, so as alumni for by any idea. But that's not the point.
Minister of Education, Beba, Deputy Minister of Education, Beba. Ye bebu sanu me say ministry no be ye hu bibi
captain I am the so about Deputy Minister of Education and Ministry of Education minister nankasa oko YouTuber captain so the last congregation obaye o ka die we wa e de ye agro see e be unity mix then ye ndi kan ye Katanga mixed first but ayana ye me ya say ye mbobo no mamu enko ni nsunsanso na chi say oye sa dientia Katanga Unity Africa a single sex halls it goes beyond traditional but then can invest in pona captain komu dikan naka traits out of these various halls being a single sex and as a dual both sexes. And then out of that, the university would even advise government on policy formation. But in this case, no, mum kaya destroy the Nkebe Boying. Mekanu via captain. But the minister Eba Busane said, our Unity Hall, no, always around. Anka members Asia debate. That is why it builds virtually every leader that passes through Unity Hall. Busane said always around made him. Now, and always around Niwa leaders are here now force on one casa force a defi Unity Hall, any other halls are cano ebeba. Okay, asema me say a call beyond Katanga when you Katanga asem.
All right. Blackie, young fan pim had a minister bar. Yebebu Sanafe, Bijide said, Samuel Sna Dajo, one I shake when I faswa.
Captain, yes, yeah, caught na the BCB, I said, Mumbai and Amon Cosum, but the Runian baby, assembly, Kako, because when you're Katanga, and where your mind winning in Assam.
All right, but that's Blackie. Blackie, former student of Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology. But Mr. I said, my intent and Juana NGNSEM. Yeah, no. Yet in the Sabos, I did be a bit me as far, no. Yet in the Sana GNSEM.
Oh, penny for the school, no. Omo so near the security ya security mu ya tighten security ni way say enhyehyɛ ya ye ne say chinchina mani benya akwa enhyehyɛ ben na ye afebon enhyehyɛ say police for near the omakogu onu mo ti on betena what how many years.
No, but my problem ne say in fancy him said that a boys school who said that a boys school and no a course your boys school at then busy.
Na captain we kra we
the man kofra den e besi
yemfa omumfra say the old traditional horse no ye de omakofro yes a nurse nti we wo ha we no wo ba bi kra o
enye na nurse
you report e ba ya hero no kan ye no
eno na wo be kan enye nurse
and omufra wo ho
mo de omobom eno momu no eyesan e ma be wo mo rooms na mema wo mo rooms and as a mixed dom
no said there were other halls na ya mixed no no but the point is that Katanga, Casford, Commonwealth ekwaso ye male dominated halls are ebede
ani ase the man so be free ebede
sesia me no kase ukolegon sesia when said this year ya 14,000 ni share na 9,000 near there but enam Besia bi omkobo is $60 million so is a every year bia as I said legon in terms of former VC no as I saw be yi in Sembia no school as I saw or coffee close to $1.8 million a year
professor item no
eti school ne sika na mo jijini na no form so mo toni na school no nya sika mfa mo braces yo say legon to no mo nitka so they are forced to admit more students I don't know how you hear why?
No, but reason na which ama person mo ye ho na mix ho any saying.
Omo say e man no doso. Intake no mo pese e ma dodo basku mo se ne me ma no ba no. Enu nti no man ne se ne be ne benya horse ni bebre no. Ene se ye Katanga ye man fra ye mfa man no fra ye nchiche mu nye se e ma de ni me ma de.
Enti e me ma na e wo ho dada no. Wo mba ko hin.
Mema no wo ho na ma na beka ho
mo kotra hen
wo mo ti ba bi o mo ti enti na make say ye the explanation a Piero no kan ye dia wo se you old traditional horse no wo ho and ma ne de ne ya nurse wo hu
enya sa
na ye de mo fra na ye dey
na wo man fra be dey
she sika ten ye ntiase na wo se ye nyina
that's why I'm saying that Prempe a boys school
eno your boys school
me ba we so Debbie a member hall ya kwa secondary school ya wa girls dormitory and ya wa boys dormitory enti ya nya no ya mfa ma na nkokan wo Katanga why be den
ya pe madodo wo school mo
no common sense should tell you that you see more dormitories more hostels Simple.
Yes, or moon CBU.
Oh, Naima, ya pe more, yes, sir.
And then besides, say reason a tection.
Coffee reason on the buy, Anna, reason.
Say no,
wait, they say because I'm my best school to do it. You infiltrate into
or Muhiam man,
dig a hole to cover a hole. Let's fix it. If sad, if that is the only reason.
Say, I question investors. No, first, Nanka. And baby OBA, I feel like I'll go university. Say, I feel like I'll be assess form.
First name, penny for
national service. But they say no. What's about 21, 22,
18, 19,
let's be a woman. Let's say 24 now. Nanka do Yanko. Anyway, Yanko.
Captain, now me person me can be kakra was our story. So go me kwanya.
Oh,
good. Sadia na Kofi Ebusano. The reason for that decision I invest in take here day. I will say if it's the reason I hear tete saying to trust them or male only halls, no. I don't know Obusa a very good question. Say so senior high school level now. Say schools ne ko intakwa. Say gidi beba basaye bi beba mostly na boys only schools no. Yen take a decision say ye omu nyina mixed and you number 1. Number 2 so NSA in the case of Katanga no say what here reasons are alumni no any ade Emma was about can say and just about tradition and tradition impo very very important they be ameka say if it ain't broken don't fix it at the end of the day KNUST ewo hono and me can way may a bit biased because I'm a Commonwealth Hall and somewhere last year or 2 a similar things whereby our Commonwealth Hall some person we in the mist Emma alumni in a fight university no action SI in the case of Katanga no a dina assessor what is the problem at Katanga boys air course or university when the in the mix if it's the point say you pay more female student build more make I say your Commonwealth Hall person Obe petty rooms I was a funny pa 4 now a funny pa 10 but the university authorities took the decision so see more student hostels into the new hostels bebre and they say no matter fix the accommodation challenge you can now admit more female students and if I was say university authorities or KNUST no it and go by this lazy man's approach. Now Omonchen takes hard decisions no and see more hostels. The other thing is Captain, a way very important because Ghana, your public universities no running on state subvention into abaying Emma Wakaka lecturers abaying the Tria Wonka and all of that. Into university and internally. Or more revenue generation strategy also put in place, no? Or more funny serious. And yes, I'll say alumni a very, very important constituency. Captain Mekawe, who say UK and US most of our universities no are registered as NGOs. Into one state subvention biano. One was a share wunya philanthropists more donate ma one was a revenue generation drives bebre. Into omu take alumni no very, very serious. When you know the invest in a straight fight between omo and the alumni no and the university in Jimmy sign ho so muhiamwa into alumni nanya den emwa mete hai almost every week minya one email from a school in the UK alumni drive secure was a contributing project air coso and the 2 schools UK and US me schools are not send every week one email or the other because alumni team they are part of the school.
That's right.
And you won't take some of these decisions to antagonize the alumni because Katanga alumni omujinafa and a university jinafa the university can never go to them so we take this decision say alumni nemra but you won't take such decisions no to antagonize them and because the amount of government subvention to universities no somehow omufi is one year government them more ebeba and this alumni critical constituency any stakeholder in the university no need take some of these decisions any confusion beba debi and visa also mo check is adia
Kofi Yanko
Captain koya ni mwana Ghanaian Times the obokrata no mampani da so such China for no aba say businessmen mo mra na mo meye adwuma na ene teacher for any awofo ene wo mu a wo mo ho wo masua mu nyina ehia solutions the economy do baby free SHS enrollment ne challenges a ebaye Ghana Education Service. They say, what do I need chimo ewo Independence Square? Omo ape biabi wa omo de aye se Solution Center. Ghana Education Service ena omo aye na efri enra no yesi anopa be ye nondu na kese nipa akoho bebro ha times through ho no na ebi nso tete nkonwa so nkonwa ya provide ho ntino duru ha wohunu se akika bom but placement no aye bibia ho enra nwumre kase yebo so kra ne ani awofo ni bi kase schools ni bi se wombe siu eye Ghana Education Service ene eye wo mu aye placement ni na afi se de ade na won se not fo nso de aba se be yentwe reopening date no enko ani mu kakra. That one is not captured in Ghana Times, but the additional information not to force to say Breno, Breno, very short. We had technology. To say you say the phones I can't hold it to me check, but still no, there is that gaba as a feeling tino. Beya yen ko anymore. And not to phone chim Benny issue so and one more edit to get solution centers no. Na nipa abo apeso pa nti Ghana Education Service won hwe ne ye na enrollment no challenges no ebi mo ya receiver ebi mo ya receiver yentimi synchronize wo mo old results no with the new results.
Oh, young girl be your friend from BA. Say okoye no wo no so was the results no wo susu say wabapo
copying from the original
nti no omunya foforo watre wie onya two Okoya, I say you're placing it because when you're 9, meanwhile, results ne kuta 2 and a shadow. Was one, but me and Pessy a bebony dean. As I say, more, and then the see here, and I'm so I went to me in your school.
Then, Pacho, a year last year, 2017, I coach BC. In a mass no me withholding no pacha so do me withholding no mo se sa dia yen receipt nti your receipt in February pacha in February and release on June 2018 no mo say we school selection never schools never September nti yen train pacha ye coin na ye see kwa check schools no pacha mo say information mo de my say yen even at say maths yenya 9 and as English yenya 9 in so muntini no place here in so me share so English minya 3 in a maths say question so that you minya 2 intimate the entiasi a omo say yensa yenya 9 hina mpacho last year ton yet na share almost 1.5 year it's mpacho ya stra mo munya bibin fa ho mai na ya tna share break tepesi ko this month TV.
Oh, okay. It's no one son call hobby and rapper now call.
Pachai, your teacher need back what friend say. Young education officer and cook friend Mr. Moko. Now on your teacher need back on in casa, no shady busy. You almost say from today to Monday, say to me and you who be a natural see a science mercy. Sympathy, and it's not mammas, Miss Fernand Sympathy.
All right. Mother Moncoin, and on the DBC, no, what friend after you, Hondia, why?
Captain, so the same issue, and as I face you, Hano, say, my name said results now more input you into the computer, no say, one more and turn on a year mistake, or say, because I said the same, another when you're maths 1, yes, when you're 9, and you know, out. Say, for some finding way, be number the son number, not so for the physics. Because
you want him say, your educational system, you solve a problem in we. Now you creative problem account. That has been our problem. Problem no one solving we. Now who creative as account? Yes, a problem na better come. Classic creative problem. No, they the account na be issue.
But comes say, we a go beyond educational system. No, anytime a Ghana. Jumeko be na dwen say o free analog akwa digital problems we mu nyina eba and for example say na snit here o ma dwen say o mu change o mu card o mu ebia ama amanfo smart card ene ade a obehwe obekọ o mu offices queues nkwan ne go ho nioma basa national service here o ma dwen say postings no o mu ya digital kakra hwe problems adeba the same thing with high school placement and I think say saa nneɛma ne mo me technology ne mo na wɔse yɛ ni ɛkɔ hɔ na obi nya n'adwene sɛ ɔhwɛ na baby a challenges kakra wɔ no o chinchim nneɛma kakra ma nneɛma ayɛyɛ because saa system ne ɛyɛ baggage in baggage out.
Obi chinchim there.
Garbage in, garbage out. Sorry.
Answer na we besi no munimo. Who say placement na nkasa na fi day one. Mampenida da ko 4 pence problems o ma yenwie ye. Enti sa double track ibeka ho no. Na nka wo se mu say problem na be ye double. Enti se nipa no na ye befa wo a enhyehyɛ no bre wo se ye hye ase no. Enwo se ye hye ase old times ne se na esi ye no. And so ya tena sia ye say nhyɛ dada na na ye di yo eno na de problems we ba mo se mo bie school ye nwie ye ye bie school ye nwie
because also mo statement na be 67,382 enya automatic placement into your na fe na also omo aye de friend self placement and this year ye over 5 days
na self placement
sir deputy minister
akoda na be choose school no wo ko fa na school no mu aye man
na make na make we ko see sense so say omoma ye hu vacancies e wo ho sisi a number na ye saying schools be na vacancies na afa students
and can we do that within 5 days
that's
you bet me the 5 days I said man
no see and say be na take us say reopening date ne mo kakra
deputy minister ne ba o ma ye hu ni o mo ye ko fi wa wie
for lines ne kakra
times no Ghana Education Service Ghana Health Service almost on build 10,000 bungalows that are health care providers but the Omoshisha projects be yes
Mahama time Mahama time Adaya Omusi go say English you say here saglame esamho
wadam fu ne di animu
say
Dr. Anthony Siasa ne di animu
to
be phone line no was Kofi aye
to build
Kofi aye
na intention so your report
intention 0302216561 0302216561 na yanhwe woba no wanya school ana wonya school how ben na wo name na fe ye hunu se de be ya ye betimi aboa na how no to etimi etwa because me phone enra na dwun na me battery ya dum and na call ne ba na me ba no na ye na yes be the yellow yes be the green and yes be the red for 64,000 plus no on the omo here be and yellow for no here and actually ubeba green and green no the and say kwan the ubeba and
I don't know house been blue and red best na blue
now blue
say no the color na your primary school SS na mo iso color
David but also preparatory schools na on use sa color sessions na hello good morning mpacho mami ntio
family dream as a free kanyako mpacho now fasivako onya yokoje president no nyame Adom nya ho kwa sekwa but kakram de mechanic say ishan a problem number they try say on mind dia say o mo te chiro mind na they do baby in bed
hello yes good morning
please my no me pa ni nya then so me problem say then every on because Tuesday but me I move down by ya
I know what me abobo aho asa ahoboa no nsi ye
say and dey betimi aye mom na so maybe enye ye nyina
Tinka onya school no emu waka kran ko betimi abobo aho
onya school
yo medase hello good morning sir
good morning
Pacho mamintio
me den de Ranford Nana do asare me teacher ni
oja teacher me tio
mbaso ai na yen kola ni bi wo a ye place omo na ba ko a yen place no am say omo opportunity say self placement na self placement no in fact as of enwa na do no it was not available on the line, so you cannot place yourself. Meanwhile, Oma can say they have given opportunity for us to place, to select schools it me a self-placement. And I think problems, so then I would can start if the former president, Kufuor Breno. And I think as of now, it's me any solution to it. And I am not for so debate to just say, Anka, yentimi, and standing date, so Anka mention me for us. And last one, I may say, me de count obi student be me check man me student back on o to su Pope Jones onya Pope Jones no but obi o wakra or to su option accommodation option say opese oye border mewa o mama no dey enti obi o wakra oni mo bia kofodia ebe den na wako school as a day student
o say no kwada me sure say school no betimi ahwe no rectify no. And as I said, definitely, okay. Now, Kalani be a woman, yes, someone can say self placement. Oh, sorry. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Mpachoma NTO.
Good morning.
Mpachoma NTO.
If I tell you, do because of you two of them.
Yo.
If I tell you, do because of you two of them.
Mpachoma te.
If I tell my flower for when you're placement in me.
Well, school's not fine in about cooking why I didn't tell you.
If I tell that,
it's a son no pay schools now, cano. Now, on yes self placement. On one who school are faded, ya can do pay. No, didn't want to.
But we know was such a problem. No, I was saying that no, and government on the education service they didn't carry anything. Oh, you see, I can't carry no baby. Oh, now Sabri, I acquire placement to the other. So that's why I quite oh. The Ghana, we been here, so you didn't carry the answer. Anyway, yeah, you're going to far from 2 pieces. Oh.
Yo, mention that sepa. You're far from. Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Yes, good morning.
Good morning.
Mpacho mamenti.
Yeah, I think South Africa.
Medase.
Mpacho mpesem bila. Nti se enne na ye bi school. Na se unya oboa. Na se bia next month ana 18 for baby na ubiye. Unya mabeti na odi akola no school. Unya prefect. Yeah, but I'm just saying, no, who are you?
Mente question, I say.
The question is, maybe I'm in the chance 7th baby school.
That's a Colano when you're school.
But when you're placed on your contract, you are okay.
Okay.
But me, I will for my who want to, and I'll be a shared Mrs. ending in a mania. It is a Mensaka 1 month, a Colana 1 month. Now, after the mania of what is on the trunk from your dinner.
So what the Colana Cossana, so my mrena, what can be gumuy? I found a cotton box, the trunk, yes, it all, Ebia, the white shirt, me, noon, in the khaki, and any provisions, and Adiano. Say, now what you back will be better, that's why. And not the main answer. Majidi is a minister bar.
Okay, and make us in Tisano, say, be a quanya or horse, say, me, my one who never ban and the young Kakanga name Lampin for a can be as long as my now something
is hey Massa was for me up to them. When you told them, hello, good morning.
Good morning, Captain.
Patrol, I'm into you.
Patrol, the Banuanya school. I speak no Tuesday in our Wanya. Now, many percent business Q night and Quay or you know, say me, Madam Cassan go to school, not school of Pena, Yapan go to honor. But the same so be questions I say on Yanasa. Now, nobody won't say school in that vacancy high so could no Q, of course, I say, it's also why a ma, not obeying them. If it's a GS for one Casa, a chance to school's way. The young people 500, money 400, you know, when you will Musuna, and you're necessarily in a secret go there, ever better war, and ever done Babs with you. Until most of you be a man, because one by the one that was Susa, one that susa wana nti ama se my confused kwa minim dia me ho kwa sisi nti mesrɛ mo a mo he kwa yamba ma fa so na yese nya gugu gie so wa be problem e be yakum you know ho ma bin kwa ye school a no mpere na yakotu so ama e dia koma no nti mesrɛ mo a
yo edase hello yes good morning pacho mami yo
good morning from Abu
pacho mami tio
was office secondary
yo
Pacho free secondary school no still elementary so India what card is free e bi na bi pray or free or say na la sikampor ba ya ho ponye bi box na yi na do boto da ma na ba no onye bi na sebio ma what promise Ghana for no yo free secondary school no better your quality education I promise that free secondary school and then another na bawnia I promise you that infrastructure the main challenge of all here in schools. It's in the field that you open offense here. This is the first moment that 2.2 billion dollar okajeno. Then the field down all invest to the secondary school. It is what started to implement them free education and there will be these challenges. That double track is so fantastic. I need more education. Nanado Baunia. Nanado Baunia wa inform about Canada Faka Senator Ghana for. Since I see obviously secondary school is said the only for one. Oh, obviously by progressive because one. I want to have one time.
But Oba Kobia. Hello. Oh, yeah, you never so. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Mbacho Maminti. Yo.
Now, the special for your head.
Why more for?
Special education.
Visually impaired. Hey, na mo de na kwesi se.
Yeah, me hu ne.
Mo de mo hu de akokra. I think a minister be bahanti oba ye be salama why that's ba. Hello
Abu na wasana be mo wa fase Abu na wa be me so I mo fase no olukobi
enyo na
akawa wa yalo bo
abaka when your school
school on yebi na boarding
enyo na what abaka na boarding no if
and zama yalo close almost about 9 million
what bro list be there to na wasn't zama be a bro.
Yes, even at the first secondary school of free and for me wa fa sokunya wa dem secondary school was spend almost 7 million.
Auntie Mpocho eyi Mr. Wara me question wa ba me nu me hu kwana me fodo me bisa ndama say bi oho wa na za chemai Mpocho ntinka abofraban oroboko school in kan to ataman ipedo no ho to do da ma nam school ho
meba se bosha na na do de shen
ya bosha na o shen bosha na Mpocho nya abotar secondary school na orokod
yes
enwa it's free now can watch was ko ye free also record board na wezima na ebezi obotweka books abofra na beka na school ho obotweka awu PTA fees na etua na mentua biom aban botweka computer science one zaman aban botweka jai house dress and then nkafo aban no na ono wan fa ma abofra bana
oh but one call around the whole secondary schools one call around what can be parents and
it's a member how member urbanism fana wo ba ne kwaya that means na wo ma tuaka o you very good information as my
Adom secondary school secondary schools me I am anko simple me nyima adafo pia yes
what Adom Patonya Abota
secondary school ebi 8 million 7 million
awunya Abota mam wotua sikans na waze damen zamani na rema won
won ko wajuan wotua yes enyo
ojina say
ubano wo form say
asisa ko form 2 akuru ko form 2 na akusuro ko this year
ma ko form 2 this wo jidiska
mesi opia one pick me no me na one form off the line na yankasa
Okay. Producers no bekasa. Ahoma na chi ho. Good information.
Good morning.
Morning.
Your friend me Bible, me say Tamale.
Medase.
Good morning, Captain.
Good morning, my brother.
Bible back penny citizen not a spectator, me say Tamale.
Medase kasame enko.
Captain, be the free education we want. Ukrofo class aban beto bibiama o fiana. Free education we some plan ya ye was mu de boy ho. A boy because school fees now go to an keke would show both of one. A day bibi. I don't know you are sure Ghana for yet. At the papa by Yampe. When you know, I say, your mistake not end this form. On the card, you will show me communicators now. On card, you would have said, I deal with taxa yet, and I almost dear trust a young quote unquote school. Say, I pedant you. Not first, what I do go to home to school. Maybe say, me can't be. Me, Miska, and me, man, one coast school to be ground for football. It means 17 shall be a cassette, a yamiya. Obi wa okwapo common one city crab onya na when you say aban epia will be bia ama books bia na wo san ka say aban na nya de progressive ya mo kai enye MP.
Hello
Captain.
Ada
Pato, good morning.
Good morning.
Pato, I am here because of free at
Magwatia. Atwa kwacha fo ina ho ye.
Captain Yanko Pado Moko, yes.
Mo, mayanko.
Captain, I'm the free education in there.
Jim FM.
Yes, Captain. I'm wow because Yanka Sanka the million you are losing this year. You check placement and ma. It's in your minister on an Casamay or Papa could to your my wife.
Or better, Sandy Manina, why?
You, yes, bye bye.
Bye bye. Atwa kwacha fo ina chamo. Hello,
good morning, Captain.
Morning, sir.
Ne prom te say.
Nkakaka.
Commissioner house no wadwuma pa o ye bo o man Ghana.
Ami.
Yo, aye kwamna say ne me kasa fit today.
Yo.
Captain me ba wa kra. Na onunya SD Koforidia day asokore day but onu wa minimum bi a obetra ne nche akọ Koforidia eno ombetimi aboa me ana aye amana aye boda
Yamani day
Yamani day e Koforidia asokore
minister ba obi ya no.
Okay, Captain Yamisha and MPP for the Maduma Power, we are free as it is no. Papa. Only Yamina Juma, Medase.
That's what I say. Hello? What went to me, Angela? Atom. Auntie, hello? Hello? Ajame. Yamrafi.
Capito. Adia no anya ye free. Kakra bi wo honim. Omo ye home economics no. Ena me nim makwala ba ko a ni parents say omo tua sika no. Say be a practicals no. Yeah. That one you pay. Yeah. Nemom say niena
practicals say a part of tuition. Dabi exams practicals no. And our practicals
no say home accounts for over contents over trust hanyo.
And chance na wo kan.
No, akwala call this time no or a practical fee.
Oh okay.
Or say was say no dear idea or mutia.
Parents in the tia.
Yeah,
practical fee.
A part of a tuition, maybe. Yeah, chop practicals a part of tuition.
Minister ba on chim because akwala no mame.
Items na free education fine na practical fee in Kahun.
There be science air practicals.
Science there na Kahun.
Science won't try practical fees.
Ebi I don't know ebi o more control exams ne there no na say you
control exams so try registration fee practicals ne shim.
No, but we say wo mu a mo be no anu anuane
say ye niam na.
Any boss am be no anuane.
Me say.
But
bibia ni suku SS ka wo ho che home economics.
Home economics ka wo.
Ka wo ho. Na captain wunim parents no so yensre say aban ne se wafa kani bi. Ene man kakra se wo cho provisions. Se wo boaboa wo ho se me ba na wie suku. Wo wie school no watena fie kakra. Enti wunim se tie bia wo ba no beto aso. Enti se tranke twoboso any provisions kakra kwada ni bedie yesre eno dia sa wosan kasa no suminya enti momma mebre
na obi ohokra so onye obi tua ne school fees mana sika kra ne ma me de be mana faka akosuku no etimi ya se me school fees ne shigum ye were genuine people wo ha opa kase wo tua di na ama no nkope loro fe e ma kora ne mfinkran ha enkosuku ko se trouble beba wo share reporter IDEC for ne ade ye na your families be ho just a city a day a huge problem and during the elections ya ko baby western region say we 10 Ghana say won sanu say ya adano me re ho ye
amanfo ani beje
hwe mbrada ekumai ekum papa
tale
captain you 1 week brother
enunti na me ohia baby and I was like na baby so de enunti na me ni bi mo ya adwen se nka wo se yetumi hwe hu se nipa ni bi can afford ebi ntumi afford na nka ye nhwe ne ntumi nchem se wo abetumi afford na bi a
da bi ye betumi afford ye ne etua tax no
eno no ye etua captain me enunti na argument no argument no
me ni omo de argument
but I can support it
because I think say captain adentina edru nioma ebe benefit ye nyina and fortunately for ye nyina no aban me kan kire obi aso oni ska o de betua free SHS the discussion now for double track is space payment of the school fees na my country obi aso oni ska o de betua and eno de
obi a wo fee say yes what's a word there free SHS no betumi atua chokrata come Ministry of Education
and
I want to pay
obi ani wo betro
then it means obi ani wo peso atua
obi ani wo betro ye na nka wo se system bi say kwan ba so ne be fa hu
but if you think you can pay, tell the ministry that I want to pay for my child's school fees.
That one will be
then it means you don't want to pay.
Captain, they will care about here. So be a buy triama ni wiempa. Still on to me. So we share ministry nanka statement on the two through presentation of Ministry of Education. Even 2017 a free SHS started. So we share total registered for BEC 2017. Now 468,060. Number placed or more you place one in schools. Now saying 424,224. Out of this number, no, or more a core school actually, number enrolled, no, now 361,771. Or more you place one, but still or one core school, 62,453. In Rubebu Sound, when Poya the Abaya and Adrian say, or three school fees, no Eddie Amamunina, into a place 424,000, but still 62,000 and core school, no. And clearly, no, some number that's what even with free SHS. Yaka say ye tria amamonko, ya place munina in school, 62,000 anko. It then the mad captain air can still let me bum. A bit of say we ni pani be woo and you want to me and school. A be also genuinely. When your school area you tria the school fees amano.
Was me yalo if enko.
Top box, trunk. Provisions and it's hand your man into no nipping to me because there is still a critical issue. I was say pay we are
for daily graphic and to us for now daily graphic and Ghana man penny na do danko kufuado na China man penny a friend saying Sian Yuzon or the San Yuzon China man penny na yes say troke
how many days
isi fumpanye na Bob Boniam kwa Yuzwa
Zhang Zhong Zong
Abusha for
okay so you want no sano
this what you want no yo graphic say Mampani na nado danko akufuado state visit your call ye wo China menu no wo so ba ye ni na wotwe enso ahya ase ye so aba aba ehso no so akese ye mu bi ne say heavy duty trucks ye benya adwumakuo kese wo manyimsi no track for ba no wonum ba on Babe Assemble no has say
minimum rep no ha.
Oh so
omo rep ha da. Omo rep ha.
Eju o say sanhihye ye ebe no ebeboa magana ayonkofa da ye ne China ntamu no se yankoye se galamse nko a ne ebema mpuntudwuma ba Ghana ye benya so mfaso China so benya so mfaso na ebe yi omuso mbetue ni nipa 1500 ye Ghana fo yo mbeboa ma sa adwuma ne hyehyɛ no atumi akoso nti panimfo kyem se wei emoa China ede ba no na edan sho ampanimfo besi cathedral no so wonsam nyu yo enra Christian Council da bi we ye Pentecostal and Charismatic Council ampanimfo en won makoye hyiamu e say Reverend Frimpong Manson en e pani na woda no na omuyi ni wi na sofo pani dia twodwa say amanfo bi o se e from Sambalat ene den Tobias wo se Sambalat ni Tobias fo en na omu gina ba bi na omu ye dede China
president ambassador president nanka said in
president
Xi Jinping
ayo na Reverend Frimpong Manson say Sambalat say any Tobias you say hin for no wo so mu gina no mo kekam edanu miensi wo se unipa kroko kan ba bro Wabra Israel for years say won mu ba be sia fasuo kese na nipa bi Sambalat ne Tobias fuede yempene no die na nyame yeye etu o se monkama no ntum no de nim say Ghana nipa dodo no agitum kakra bi ana o mu gina nchen o mu ye dede na nchemu odi abani o se dan ni sie no aban ka prenim asase na aban de baaye asase no so mpanimfo akom ne ewomu ne se aban yi je asase no 1910 yo asase no yesi ebe ya aban de 1910 efi honom no mansu bia maso na lawyers yo se judge so omote so no so omo so age atum se o ba bia mode ye konokora ho ne yepe.
Let us spread development. Sepesi
Kofi.
We ye betumi anya a different location.
There be a different location.
Obasi anya no wa.
Kofi e ho na sese ye.
We ja nsuo no island.
Wo ko country bia wo ho.
Kofi we ja nsuo no island fefefe bi
wo ba bia. Yo ba bia. Ye yes and
you very quiet.
When you go to you was ceremonial enclave country bia. And abai ni sika me shem kura nya hwe.
Oh, say aban sika nim.
Me say aban sika kura.
Also one am call solicit.
Me 100 bags of cement are ready. 100 bags of cement are ready.
Enti no enu na wo no katen kwadwo mamwene me hu o.
Ya na ya ho ba ya ba. Ya be traso ya ba si a.
Bema, ne sika no mo si da. Me dofo, ne wiwema de be na agi ha.